Hi, and welcome to today's Accelerate class on data analysis. Today, what we want to achieve is having this graph, so having a bar chart and a line chart in the same graph, in the same chart. So here we have data. Here we have data for different parts of Nigeria and the slots that were allocated to them, slot that we utilized, and the percentage utilized. So first things first, for us to achieve this, let me take this out. So I click the delete button to take it out. And then first I have to highlight this. Then I go to insert. I come here. This is the insert column or bar chart icon. I click it and I pick the 2D column. Here you can see the percentage utilized is really small and we can barely see them. Look at how tiny they are. What I would do is to click on any parts of the chart and use the tab button on the leftmost side of your keyboard to move around and see. Now we are now at that particular element. So if you see, it's highlighted here showing you that that's the element we've picked, and we right click. What we have, we go here, change series chart type. It's important to note that when you're changing the percentage utilized to a line chart here like this, so we can use stacked line with markers here, right? Click it. It's important to note that you have to change it to the secondary axis so it comes side by side the primary axis, which is this one. So I click here and you see it's changed. So here you've customized your chart to give you what you want. If we say okay, voila, our chart is ready. So the only thing you have to do is to double click this to change the name of your chart, so we can say slots or something. And yeah, we're good. So the only other thing we can do here is to possibly add um, data labels to the line chart. You need to be careful when you add data labels. So if I just click on this and I say data labels here, it gives me all the data labels, and that really makes my chart look very tacky. So I can just pick my line charts and then click data labels, and it gives me only the data labels for my line chart. You can expand this to make it look better. And yes, here we go. We have our bar chart and our line chart, pretty much our customized chart. I hope you have been able to learn a thing or two from this. Like this video if you can. Share it as much as possible to other people. Please share our Telegram chat link with other people so that people can come and learn how to use Excel to be more efficient at work. Thank you for your time.